Have you ever wondered why some people stay broke even after getting raises? The truth is, your income isn't always the problem. Your daily money habits quietly decide whether you build wealth. Most people believe making more money solves everything. But many high-income earners still struggle because they never fix the habits quietly draining their finances every single month. Today's first habit is spending before planning. Without a budget, every paycheck disappears faster than expected, leaving you wondering where all your hard-earned money actually went. Habit number 2 is buying things to impress people. Expensive clothes, gadgets, and cars may look successful, but they often hide growing debt and financial stress behind the scenes. The third habit is ignoring small purchases. Daily coffee, snacks, and impulse shopping may seem harmless, but together they quietly steal hundreds of dollars from your yearly savings without notice. Another costly habit is paying yourself last. Successful people save before spending because even a small amount invested consistently grows into something surprisingly powerful over time. Imagine two friends earning exactly the same salary. One saves 10% every month. The other spends everything. 5 years later, their financial lives look completely different. Debt becomes dangerous when it finances things that quickly lose value. Borrowing for luxury purchases often creates stress long after the excitement completely disappears. Instead, focus on buying assets that can grow in value. Investments, useful skills, and education usually pay you back much longer than temporary luxury purchases ever will. Wealth is rarely built overnight. Small, smart decisions repeated every single month quietly create financial freedom, while careless habits slowly steal your future without warning. Start tracking every dollar for 1 week. You might be shocked by how much money quietly disappears through tiny daily purchases you barely even remember making. Creating a simple budget gives every dollar a clear purpose. When your money has a plan, you stop wondering where it disappeared each month. Automating your savings removes temptation. The money moves before you can spend it, making good financial habits easier without needing constant self-control every single month. Remember, becoming financially successful is usually about consistency, not perfection. Small improvements made every day create results that seem unbelievable after several years of patience. Your future wealth depends on choices you make today. Every smart financial decision becomes another brick in the strong foundation of your future financial freedom. You do not need a bigger paycheck to begin building wealth. You simply need better habits that help every dollar work harder for your future every single day. Choose one money habit from today's video and practice it this week. Small actions repeated consistently will always beat big plans that never actually begin. Remember, every wealthy person once started with a single smart decision. Your financial journey begins the moment you decide to take control instead of making excuses. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical money tips, and comment which financial habit you will start today. Your future self will thank you.